Season ends a week from today, but there's already a new worry for next season. A satellite designed to help keep us safe just went kaput. Ted White is here with what that means for us. Ted?
You may have never heard of this satellite, but it was responsible for giving forecasters crucial storm information. But now it's unresponsive. It circles the Earth every 101 minutes and for a decade has been the go-to guy for forecasters at the National Hurricane Center, NOAA, and the National Weather Service. NASA's Quick Scatterometer satellite, or QuickScat, has been one of the most useful tools in tracking hurricanes and weather across our planet's oceans. Severe weather expert Mike Lyons says QuickScat was the gold standard.
It tells us how high winds are, what direction those winds are moving. So forecasters around the world out in the middle of the ocean, where we have very little data, it's just an invaluable tool that now we've lost.
The satellite failed early Monday morning. Without the antenna, the satellite will not be able to transmit hurricane tracking data.
Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. Here are the Caribbean islands. Here's Puerto Rico. Let's say this disturbance is looking suspicious and might become a tropical system. It's too far away from the islands for the hurricane hunters to fly into, so as the QuickScat went over it, it would tell us if we have a tropical system. Then, if it starts to form, they can send the hurricane hunters out here to better tell us what's going to happen with the system. But without QuickScat, we won't know if that system is forming or not.
QuickScat was only designed to last a couple of years, so its failure comes as no surprise.
From my perspective, the plans for this should have been on the drawing board 7-8 years ago.
Congressman Ron Klein says he has pushed to get the satellite replaced.
It's been beyond its useful life for many, many years now, which is why I filed a bill a couple of years ago called the Hurricane Satellite Modernization Act, which will develop the next generation of satellites to help our great people at the Hurricane Center get the best tools possible.
The earliest we could get a replacement up would be 5 years. That's a long time, obviously. And, you know, it really is crucial with a storm system out in the middle of the ocean that might threaten the islands, that ultimately might threaten the United States. So without QuickScat, hurricane hunters, hurricane forecasters are going to be it's going to be a big loss.
So what does it mean for tracking storms over the next 5 years? There are backup plans and other satellites out there, but as Mike mentioned, it will take a while before a new system will be in place to match what QuickScat has done for years. Ted White, WPBF 25 News.